Take a ride in the 2014 Infiniti Qx80. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.6-liter engine and comes with a 7-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power moonroof, rain sensing wipers, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find navigation system, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, power passenger seat. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.